Good evening. Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations with my daughter,
Sherry. Hi.
And she's been to the doctor, so she's had medication in her eye.
Yeah, so if this looks weird, it's because it's dilated.
Alrighty, so this is what I did. 40 people have made a comment. I have them on this piece of paper right here. All the way to 40. You see your name on there. And what she's going to do is she's going to do the number generator, and then we're just going to take the number, whatever's on here, and that's what it's going to be. So what's the number?
It says, there's the, I want to make sure that they can see it. I can see it. Well, darn. How do I get it to where you can see that I have a number generator on here?
Well, do you want me to go shut that light off over there? Do you think that's
I don't know.
causing the problem with it?
You can try.
I'll look. I mean, I'll shut the light off. We'll see.
Going to be in the dark.
We're going to be in the dark, all right.
Okay.
Ooh, we're in the dark. Can you see it?
No. That didn't know.
Can't see it?
No, it's still a white screen. That's all you see.
Why, I wonder?
I don't know. Oh, a little warning next time.
Okay, well, just go with it and we'll just
all right, so it's
the number.
Number generator. The minimum was 1, max is 40, and we have 40 names.
Uh-huh.
So then I hit generate, and it says...
Number 28.
And it is...
It is, who is it? It is Jeanna, is it Jeanna Meyer?
Are you
Here,
asking
number
the person
28.
who can't see?
I know I shouldn't do that. Jeanna Meyer, 28. You are the lucky winner. And I've got it already. It's in the container that it's going out in. Yep, it's ready to go. So I'm going to get it in the mail as soon as I can. So again, it is Jeanna, Jeanna Meyer, Meyer. Congratulations.
Does she need to say anything or do something? You
need to email me at KathysKuteKreations@gmail.com. And I'll put it across the screen down here so you'll know. Okay? And that's it. And I'll get it in the mail as soon as I can to you. All right. What?
I was going to say, as soon as you hear from her, you can put it in the mail.
Right, as soon as I hear from you.
Send it out random there.
I'll wait for you to email me. All right. Take care, everybody.
Congratulations.
And we're going to get to sewing this thing. Oh, I wanted to say one more thing. So I'm not going to use the green grunge for the background. Go ahead and pull this fabric over here. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. Instead of the green, because to me that's too much green, because you know I don't like green, I'm using this blue for the background. Okay, I got plenty of fabric, so that's what I'm going to use instead of the green. Okay. So when I get to cutting it, that will be my main color for the background. Just so that you guys don't get confused and think, wait, I didn't get that in my kit. Okay, so. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye, and congratulations again. I guess it's Janine.
Jeanna?
Could be Jeanna. I don't know how you pronounce it.
Well, we got it spelled right.
Yep, we do. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.